Qumulo has announced a new cold data storage service that is cloud native for Azure users. They say that the goal is to have their services available for any customer IT environment, whether it's on prem all the way up to the public cloud. The solution, which they are calling ANQ Cold, is integrated into the Qumulo Global NameSpace. That means that users can access the data anywhere that they have access to that namespace, whether it's remote or local, on prem, or in the cloud. The CTO, Kiran Bhageshpur, says that ANQ Cold is great protection against ransomware, is a very affordable archive solution, one of the most affordable on the market. Stephen, I know that a lot of companies have started getting into cold storage in the cloud. What is your take on this?
Yeah, and I think that the cold storage aspect is the thing that caught my attention with this story and why I wanted to talk about it. So, you may not be familiar with Qumulo, or you may if you've watched Tech Field Day because they presented a couple of times. But essentially, this is a company that's delivering a great hybrid cloud, scalable NAS with a global namespace. Now, there's a few companies that are out there touting similar features, and that's okay. Qumulo has specifically zoomed in on this basically providing storage for critical applications that have sensitive data. So one of those applications is called PACS. That's a very popular way of archiving and communicating within especially hospitals and other sort of regulated industries. And this cold storage solution is specifically targeted at that kind of data set. In other words, the same kind of data that is targeted by ransomware. And so this is actually a really nice solution, I think. I could see customers really being excited about this, especially if, as suggested by Qumulo, it is cost competitive with tape, because tape is really where a lot of this data is stored today. But of course, that makes it a little less accessible. Having it in the cloud potentially allows it to be accessed from multiple locations with a global namespace like Qumulo offers. And it would basically enable these systems to be a little bit more protected thanks to features that Qumulo and other products have. So I like this idea. I like the whole concept of cold storage targeted at specific applications. And also, of course, it's very important that we're talking about a system that's integrated with the cloud, which will hopefully match the way that workforce and workplaces are done these days, where you've got especially hospitals that have multiple locations increasingly, insurance companies, a lot of these organizations out there that have data in multiple places and would benefit from not just a global namespace, but also cold storage and cloud storage. So all in all, I'm really excited about this. It seems like an interesting solution for the market, and look forward to talking to Qumulo more about it.